Okay, folks. Hope everybody had a nice holiday and New Year. And I finally got the part in. Got a new coil back there. We hooked it all up again. So, ready? Let's take...
What'd I tell you?
You ain't telling me nothing. Shut it off. Shut it off.
What? Nothing.
Transmission. We don't have nothing hooked up.
Oh.
But hey, folks.
It works.
It works.
Yay!
It is truly a happy new year. Okay, time to put the fan back on, the shroud, the radiator. It's all sitting over here, waiting for us. Uh-oh, he's gonna go tell the mama. All right, folks, let me try to get this all back together again. Ah, well, I'm so happy. All right, later.